Hey folks, me and my friend Jason, we're on the way to pick up an old 1950 Ford 8N tractor that I bought this week. So I went and picked this up this morning. It's a 1950 Ford 8N tractor. I got a pretty good deal on this, especially considering the amount of work that's been done on it recently and the new parts on it. It's actually got a very recent battery, and come around here on this side, it's got a brand new alternator. It was converted over to 12 volt. It's got a new carburetor on it, put new plugs in it. Pretty decent tractor overall. It's running good. It's got good tires on it, or decent tires. These back ones, of course, got some dry rot and some cracks in them, but they're holding air really good. And somebody at some point has already put fluid in these rear wheels. That's something I was going to do if it didn't have any in it, but it's actually already got fluid in them. The lift and everything back here is really strong. PTO, everything works like it's supposed to work. Don't have any implements yet. Well, actually, a neighbor has let me know this afternoon that he's got a small set of plows that's too small for his tractor, and he's actually going to give those to me. So I'm thankful to the Lord for that. I was planning on saving back up and picking up a few implements for it. The first thing really being a blade, because I've got a lot of dirt work I need to do around here with this little tractor, and I know it's not huge, and maybe one day I can buy me a bigger diesel tractor with some more horsepower, but this little guy right here is going to help me get a lot of work done here on the homestead, and I am super thankful to the good Lord for providing. He provides what we need. Another plus about this little tractor is that it's got decent brakes on it, and it seems that it's been serviced and maintained pretty well. I checked the fluids and everything in it. I am going to give it a fresh oil change just because I like to do that when I first get something. Well, I know how long it's been since the oil's been changed. I don't think I'm going to worry about the cosmetics of it a lot. Got a little surface rust on it here and there, and paint chipping. You know what? I might hit it with a can of spray paint this summer sometime, just to slow down the rust on it a little bit, but I don't know. Other than that, I don't think I'll do a lot. I do want to get some lights. It looks like it's had lights on it, and they've taken those off at some point. I do want to put some lights back on it just so that I'll be able to work after dark if need be. Don't want to have to quit just because it gets dark, but I'm pretty happy with it so far. An old tractor is 72 years old, and I'm sure that somebody has got a lot of good service and use out of it over the years. I'm hopeful that I can extend its life and keep using it. I get a lot of enjoyment out of taking old things and putting them back to work. Wanted to leave you with something. If you're trying to do anything in life, just starting out, like we're trying to start a homestead. Teddy Roosevelt once said, do what you can with what you have where you are. That's always a good place to start. You might not be able to buy brand new equipment. You might have to start small, start with something old, just like I'm starting with this old Ford 8N tractor. But start somewhere. Hope you enjoyed this little video. God bless you all, and I'll catch you in the next one.